Mother and son Charla and Jalen Pendergrass is expected to appear in court this morning for a preliminary hearing. They are both accused in the unaliving of Jalen's 17-year-old girlfriend, London Thomas. An autopsy shows she died from asphyxia.
To justice today. She is the 17-year-old local teen murdered earlier this year. Her ex-boyfriend and his mother now facing charges.
Our Gino Vici is following the developments in the case. Gino, good morning to you. The mother and son, as we mentioned, they're back in court today.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. And look, 24-year-old Jalen Pendergrass, that's the former boyfriend. 42-year-old Charla Pendergrass, that's his mother. They're both going to be facing a judge today inside a 22nd District Court here in Inkster. Now, Jalen and his mother, Charla, have been charged in connection to the death and disappearance of London Thomas. Prosecutors are expected to lay out evidence they say ties Jalen to her death and show that his mother, Charla, allegedly helped cover it up. Now, London went missing back on April 5th after being dropped off to Jalen's home in Inkster. And then her body was discovered days later, placed inside of a plastic sealed bin, which was placed inside of an SUV that was found up in Southfield. Now, London's family is expected to be in court today as the judge decides whether there is enough evidence to send this case to trial. We've been in close contact with her mother throughout this entire ordeal, and we've also been in contact with her father, who we spoke with right after the arraignment here last month. Here's what he had to say.
Oh, I'm so angry and I'm so happy and satisfied at the same time. You know, we all knew that they were pretty much responsible for what happened. So now we're moving forward. We're moving in the right direction. We're going for justice for London.
Justice for London, that's what the community has wanted, and especially her family. We're expected to probably hear some very disturbing evidence and some answers the family they want, which is why this had to happen to their daughter. Back to you.
Yes.
Please subscribe and stay tuned to Nikki Lynn Investigates for more updates.